going to show you exactly how I use Superclips AI to generate high-end, agency-quality videos without ever picking up a camera. As soon as I log into my dashboard, I've got everything at my fingertips. Let's head over to the Superclips studio. I have the choice to use a template, but I want to show you the full power of the AI, so I'm going to click Create New. The first thing I do is give the AI my big idea. I'm going to type, create an ad for my perfume with a model in a stylish setting. To help the AI narrow it down, I'll set my niche to e-commerce stores. We also have other niches like lifestyle, medical, or real estate. And next, we choose the video type. Whether it's a vlog, explainer, or social media content, the AI adapts. We'll go with commercial advertisement for that high-end brand feel, crafting the visual aesthetic. Now, this is where it gets fun, the styling. I want a high-end, timeless look, so for visual style, the visual style library is extensive. We can choose vintage, cyberpunk, or cinematic, but I'm going to bypass the colorful options and select black and white. For my text, I want it to feel personal and elegant, so I'll choose a handwritten style. One of the coolest features here is the product image toggle. I'm going to upload a photo of my actual perfume bottle. By doing this, I'm telling the AI, this is the star of the show, ensuring the generated video actually features my product. A great ad needs a great voice. In the audio studio, we enable audio and choose our narration mode. We can fine-tune the voiceover by selecting female, young adult, with a US English accent. We can even adjust the pacing and energy to medium balanced. For the soundtrack, we'll browse the music mode, selecting beat-driven music with an inspiring, uplifting mood and a medium tempo to match the visual rhythm. We can also save it as a preset to use it in our further projects. I want a spokesperson for this brand, so I'm going to enable the character feature. I'll select a female character, set her age to young, and choose an East Asia region for a global appeal. For her outfit, trendy influencer fits the perfume vibe perfectly. Before I move on, I'm going to save these settings as a perfume ad preset. This saves me so much time later because I can just one-click these settings for my next campaign. Now watch this. I click Generate Script, and the AI gives me 3 distinct production concepts. I'm going with Concept 1, Essence of Elegance. It gives me a full script and a highly detailed AI prompt that describes the camera movements and lighting. If I want to edit the script, I can edit it. And if I'm happy with it, I'll hit Generate Video. The Sora-powered engine takes over, and within a few minutes, I have a 15-second professional-grade commercial.
A world of elegance awaits. The perfect scent for exquisite moments. Infused with allure, it's your signature. Introducing Superclips Perfume. Discover your scent today.
It's got the black and white look, the model, and most importantly, my product. All perfectly synced to the music. If I'm ever in a rush, I don't always build from scratch. I'll jump into the template library. Whether I need a gym and fitness promo or a real estate walkthrough, these are ready-made. I just click Use Template, and the studio pre-fills the best settings for that niche. It's basically a cheat code for high-quality content. And that's it. That is how I go from a simple text idea to a fully produced, high-definition video ad.
Are you ready to transform your life? Join Anytime Fitness today. With 24/7 access and state-of-the-art equipment, your fitness journey starts here.
Superclips Studio has completely changed my workflow, taking the technical stress out of the equation so I can focus on the creative side. I can't wait to see what you guys build with it.